How to hide people you may know on Facebook. First, open the Facebook. In Facebook, you cannot find the direct option for hiding people you may know. What you can do is turn off the notification for it. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on this option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings. Now in the Settings interface, scroll down. Under the section for Preferences, tap on this option Notifications. Scroll down, find the option for people you may know. Now toggle off this option for allow notifications on Facebook. Now tap on the option turn off. Now go back. Now again access the menu by tapping on the three lines. Tap on the option settings and privacy. Tap on the option settings. Now you'll have to stop the contact syncing. For that, tap on the option account center. Now tap on this option your information and permissions. Tap on this option upload contacts that you can see at second last. Tap on your Facebook account. Now toggle off this option for continuous contacts upload. Tap on the option turn off. Now after you do that, you can go back. After you adjust these settings to some extent, you'll not be suggested the people you may know. So like this, you'll be able to hide people you may know on Facebook. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.